Hello dear students, we are going to solve a numerical problem related to mixed combination of capacitors. The question is, find equivalent capacitance between points A and B in the adjacent figure. This is the given diagram in which we have to find the resultant capacitance between points A and B. For convenience, let us give symbols to these capacitors. Suppose this is C1, this is C2, this is C3, this is C4, this is C5, which is also given to be 2 microfarad, and this is C6. We have to find the resultant capacitance between points A and B. Now, these 3 points are common, means at the same point. Similarly, these 3 points are at the same point. Therefore, we can call these points A and A, and these 2 points B and B. Now, capacitors C3, C4 and C5 are in parallel. Therefore, their resultant will be the direct sum of these 3 capacitors, that is, resultant capacitance of parallel capacitors between A and B may be denoted by symbol CAB, which will be 2 plus 2 plus 4, that is 8 microfarad. Now, these 3 capacitors give equivalent capacitance CAB equal to 8 microfarad. Now, this circuit may be redrawn by its equivalent circuit as in figure 1, that is C1, this is C2 and this is CAB and this is C6, means this circuit is equivalent to this circuit. Now again in figure 1, C2 and CAB are in parallel. Therefore, their resultant, suppose their resultant C is C will be equal to C2 plus CAB. So, the resultant of parallel capacitances C2 and CAB will be C, which is C2 plus CAB. C2 is 4 microfarad and CAB is 8 microfarad. This comes to be 12 microfarad. Again, its resultant is C, which is 8 microfarad. So, this circuit may be redrawn by its equivalent circuit as in figure 2. C1 in series with C in series with C6. Now, if CAB is the equivalent capacitance between points A and B in figure 2, then 1 upon CAB will be equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C plus 1 upon C6, and putting their values, it is 1 upon 6 microfarad plus 1 upon 12 microfarad plus 1 upon 6 microfarad. Here 1 upon microfarad has been taken common, so it gives 5 upon 12 microfarad. Therefore, its reciprocal gives resultant capacitance CAB between points A and B as 12 upon 5, which is 2.4 microfarad.